Welcome back friends, and in Samsung mobile, if someday you are facing that this power key, when you are pressing this nothing is happening, then in that case what will you do? In this video I am going to tell you, if this power key is malfunctioning, then still you have a way to power off your mobile phone. In addition to that, I will also tell you some mode, lockdown mode, safe mode, side key settings in this video. So suppose, not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel and if you like the video after watching this, please do consider to subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. So if your power key is not working and you want to switch off, what you need to do? Just slide it down once more. Now here beside this settings you will find this. As soon as you will press it, this will come. Okay, generally only three icons will come. Here lockdown mode is also coming. What is the lockdown mode and how it will come here, I am going to tell you. So for this, just go back, go to the setting, go to the lock screen. Here go to the secure lock display, secure lock settings, enter the pattern here, and here show lockdown option. If it is turned on, that icon will come. And what is the benefit of that icon? When you are traveling and anybody wants to unlock your phone, and if you are sleeping, then with the help of your biometric authentication, they can unlock it. But if your phone is in lockdown mode, now here see, fingerprint authentication will not come and your phone will save with respect to that. Only you have to enter that pattern, and after that you can enter your phone. So this is lockdown mode is for safety. So again swipe it twice and press on power button. Here 4 icons are coming. One fifth icon is there. What is that? Just keep power off button pressed for some time, and the 6th will come, safe mode. Safe mode, when you tap it off, the phone will reboot and it will go into the safe mode. In safe mode, many of the third-party apps will not work, and you can diagnose many problems there that are due to the unsafe apps. So this is what I wanted to tell you, 3-4 things. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.